Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Hey, yes sir, how you doing?
Yeah, I see you on YouTube.
Yes sir, thanks for watching. Yeah, man. How you doing? Jacob Vile.
Look familiar.
Yes sir, how you doing, man? YouTube video, what's going on, man?
How you doing?
Jacob Vile.
Alberto.
Okay, so what's your name? What's in here real quick?
8 ground zero hydrogen 12s.
Okay.
12 ground zero 10-inch mids. 8 ground zero 8-inch mids.
Nice.
And 4 other 8-inch mids.
Okay.
4 5Ks, 2 2400s, 2 1200s.
Who built this? Looks good.
I did.
Very
Me and,
nice.
my coworker.
Okay. That's some thick glass. You can see through it. I like that design. Did you ever do any testing to see what your width was to know
Yeah,
what?
we swallowed the screw holes.
There we go.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, sir. And it's a 6th order. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you know your tunings on it?
Roughly about 20 and 42.
20 and 42. Okay. Did you do any SPL tests yet?
I dropped down in subs. Actually, in Steve's video, Steve truck a second ago.
Yes.
We had those in here. I couldn't hold the voltage. Small case all too much. So it does like 60.3 on it.
Okay. What are these subs rated at RMS wise? 1500. Okay. Have you done any kind of clamping tests? See how much power they were getting?
Out those 5Ks, the X2s, we think about 4,000 in. Prior to 2 ohm model, rising about 6 ohms.
Okay. Oh wow, they're taking some power. Yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you very much. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Sure. Appreciate the info.
Oh, yeah.
Break the chains with the No, I wanna change this love. It again, but again, say no. Baby, tell me why, what you do me wrong. Baby, tell me why, what you do me wrong. Gave you my heart, but you took my soul. You got me in chains for your love, but I wanna change. I wanna change this. Cold to the touch versus warm as a devil. Gave all my heart, but you warm in my soul. Taste till I break and I can't get more. I wanna change this love. Got me in chains. You got me in chains for your love. But I wanna change this love. Got me in chains. You got me in chains for your love. But I wanna change. Change this love. Tryna make the change, but the chains only bring me
Wow. Dude, that's got good bandwidth.
Yeah,
Yeah, the high note and the low note, and it's pretty windy overall. So very, very good job. Appreciate the demo, man. What was your name?
Al.
Al, Jacob. Awesome. Thanks, man. Oh, yeah.
Rusted.